Hey, it's Arie here. Welcome back to another video on my channel. In this video, I'm going to be going over how to do Amazon affiliate marketing on YouTube. So a lot of people are looking to get on YouTube because YouTube is a great site to go on if you want to, build up an audience, you want to start making money. However, the downside with YouTube is that because a lot of videos, it's very easy for them to get, demonetized. It's very, very risky to build a YouTube channel and be fully dependent on something like Google AdSense. So what a lot of people are now starting to do, instead of just making money with Google AdSense, what they're now doing is they are using affiliate programs such as Amazon.com or eBay or any of those other affiliate programs, and they recommend products to their audience. And then whenever someone goes and purchases one of those products that they recommend, they would of course get paid a commission. So in this video, I'm going to be talking specifically about how to do Amazon affiliate marketing on YouTube, so that if you want to do, you want to promote products off of Amazon on your YouTube channel, then you could pretty much do so with Amazon's affiliate program here. So before I really get into things, if this is the first video you're seeing on my channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button so you can be notified of all the new videos I post on this channel. I pretty much talk about, how to do affiliate marketing, how to grow a business online, different ways of making money online. So if that is a thing that interests you and you want to learn more about that, then definitely be sure to subscribe to this channel so you can be notified of all the new videos that I post on this channel. But without further ado, let's get right into things. So I'm currently on the Amazon.com website. This is the home page. We all know what Amazon is. Everyone, almost everyone purchases from Amazon fairly regularly. But they have their own affiliate program that you could sign up for. And to find that, what you will want to do is you could either search into Google, just type in Amazon Associates. You could either just type in Amazon Associates and you'll find the link to their affiliate program right here. Or what you could also do is you can go to Amazon's website, scroll down to the very bottom, and at the very bottom you'll find a section that says Make Money with Us. Under this section right here, there is a link that says Become an Affiliate. So you'll just want to click on that, and this will bring you to where you could sign up to become an affiliate for Amazon's program right here. So right here, it's called Amazon Associates. Earn up to 10% advertising fees with a trusted e-commerce leader. That is what they pay at max. For the most part, it's about 6 to 8%. But that is with any products on Amazon. For the most part, it's around that range. And the benefit with Amazon is that they have a large variety of products that you could recommend. Anything from home and gardening to electronics to clothing to toys, purses, anything like that. You could pretty much promote on Amazon's affiliate program like that. So you could sign up for free here. It is completely free to sign up. You'll just want to, if you want to sign up, you click that button and it'll just have you answer some basic information, name, email, address, your website if you have one. Otherwise, you could always just put the link to your YouTube channel. And that is the thing that I do want to mention. If you are planning on doing any sort of affiliate marketing with Amazon, you definitely want to have either a Google, a website or a YouTube channel. In my case, I would personally recommend starting a YouTube channel if you haven't already, because with Amazon's affiliate programs, with the very low commission rates that they pay, it'd be very difficult to make consistent income if you are doing this you're promoting products with paid advertising. I probably wouldn't recommend that much. This I'd say is more for people who are looking to build up a following online. If it's I'd say through YouTube primarily, or if you have a website, then Amazon Associates would be a very great option. Otherwise, if you want to learn how you can make bigger commissions than what Amazon pays, my free training in the description, which is the very first link, will give you access to my free 4-day training, and that pretty much shows you how you could really build a long-term business online through the concept of affiliate marketing. But anyways, you can sign up for Amazon's affiliate program for free here. You just click on that button, fill in some basic information, and then once you get signed up to be an Amazon affiliate, then you could pretty much recommend whatever it is you want off of Amazon. So that is really the main benefit with Amazon's affiliate program. It shows right here the earning potential. Get up to 10% in advertising fees, as I had already kind of mentioned. But once you have an Amazon Associates account set up, then you're pretty much good to go. So you could look through any of the products that you plan on recommending. For instance, if your YouTube channel is about, technology, if it's about, reviewing laptops or, tablets or anything like that, then you could find, Apple devices, Microsoft, devices like that, and you could recommend them on your YouTube channel. You could create videos, for instance, in my case, I have these headphones right here. These are the Audio-Technica ATH M50X headphones. These headphones I really like. So if I were to start a YouTube channel in the niche of promoting like headphones or anything like that, I would of course do like a video review on these headphones, and then in my description I would have a link to where someone can go and pick up these headphones if they want to. Now, the benefit with Amazon's affiliate program, one of the other benefits is that they don't necessarily have to buy the exact product that you recommend. As long as a viewer clicks on one of your links and they pick up one of the products that you recommend, either that or pretty much anything off of Amazon, within those 24 hours of clicking your link, you would get a commission for that. So if they buy, let's say, the headphones, and maybe they buy something else like a computer to go with it, or some other like electronic or like other item, then you also get a commission for that as well. So that's really the main benefit, is that if you can get a large following over time, of course, the bigger following you have, the bigger earning potential you will have with Amazon's affiliate program. But I'll actually show you some examples of people that are actually making money with Amazon's affiliate program, and then you could choose to pretty much model what it is that they're doing, if you are in that specific niche, or you could pretty much find channels in whatever niche that you're going into, and then you could pretty much just kind of model what it is that they're doing. So I'm going to head over to YouTube right now, and I'm actually going to look up some channels that are, well, like in my case, I'll actually, what I'll do actually is I'm going to look up a review for the Audio-Technica ATH M50Xs. So I'm going to look up a review, Audio-Technica ATH M50X review, and it's very likely that I'm going to find a video that has a link to where I could choose to pick up the headphones here. So in this case, looks like right here. Okay, so Audio-Technica ATH M50X review by Marquise Brownlee. If I open up his video right here, I'll see the actual review that he posted, and where he pretty much gives his his thoughts on the headphones here. Let me see if I could pause this real quick. I don't want this to play here. But yeah, this is the video that's currently playing right here. I'm going to pause that real quick. There we go. And then in his description, he has links to where you can choose to pick up the product that he recommends. For some reason, this video did not pause. I'm going to try pausing that again. Okay, and I'm going to go down to his description. And inside of his description, you could see right here that he has a link to where you could pick up the Audio-Technica headphones that he's recommending. So anyone that clicks on this link and they go over to Amazon and they purchase these headphones or anything off of Amazon, Marquise would get paid a commission for. So that's really the main benefit with this. And keep in mind, this video has almost 2 million views. So that means that you could assume that he's probably making, a lot of commissions, a lot of sales from this, completely passively, because this is a video that is always on YouTube, pretty much working 24/7. And anyone who is, a fan of his channel, anyone who follows him, whenever, a new video gets released, they could choose to, watch his video. And if they find it helpful, they find it valuable, then they could buy any of the products that he recommends from Amazon. So I'm willing to bet that most of his YouTube revenue actually comes from promoting products off of Amazon's affiliate program. So that's really the main benefit with having a YouTube channel. And if you could build up a large enough following, if you go into a specific niche that is, fairly popular, there's like huge need for it, and people are looking up, things for it, then there is a very good earning potential with Amazon's affiliate program. Now, for someone that is completely brand new, like if you're just starting out and you want to do you want to do affiliate marketing, but you don't have like a massive following yet. The downside with Amazon's affiliate program is that, as I mentioned in the beginning, the commission rates are generally very low. At the most, you can get up to 10% commission rates. And if you're promoting any products that are like, under $100, for the most part, the commissions that you will make will be kind of like, like around $1, like in the cents kind of. So that's kind of the downside with it. But I do know that a lot of people, what they choose to do with this is that they promote products that are more in the high-priced range. So if you decide to go that route, that is one way you can, of course, get around that and, make bigger sales. Otherwise, the earning potential for someone who is completely brand new is kind of low. But it's still a great platform that you could choose to get started with. And if you could build a large enough following on YouTube, then it is something that can really, be long-term, earning potential in the long term. So that's really how Amazon affiliate marketing works. Pretty much your main focus with this should just be putting out valuable content on YouTube. A lot of these people who are really successful with Amazon's affiliate program, they're not successful because they went out and, spammed their affiliate links all over the place. What they did is they focused primarily on providing, good value, like good quality actual videos that people are looking for, videos that, answer people's questions. Of course, when someone looks up something like, Audio-Technica headphones review, they're looking for information on, if those headphones are actually, worth picking up or not. They want to know if the headphones sound good. They want to know if all the different, genres of music would sound good, listening to them, with these headphones. And if they hear a lot of good reviews, they hear that, that someone that they trust is giving, good feedback for it, then it'll help them be much more trusted in actually buying the actual product. So that's really how Amazon's affiliate program works. And like I said, your main focus with this should just be putting out valuable content on a consistent basis. And then any products that you recommend, any products that you review, that you talk positively about, you could choose to add your own Amazon affiliate link. And this, is, if you're already, creating content like this where you're putting out lots of reviews, then it's really not much more effort to just kind of put your own affiliate links to products that you recommend. And then, anytime one of your viewers purchases one of the products that you recommend, you then get paid a commission. So it is something that can add up over time, but that is pretty much all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give this a like because it really does help the channel. Leave a comment down below letting me know your thoughts. Let me know if you have any plans to get started with Amazon's affiliate program, or if you've been trying to do it for a while now. Maybe if you have a YouTube channel, let me know your experience down in the comments. But anyways, if you want to learn more about how to do affiliate marketing, you want to know how to do this as a full-time thing, and you want something that will actually truly support you long-term, you could be earning passive income, and you want to learn how to create sales that are, not just, in the cents, but, rather like bigger sales, like $100 a day, 500, 1,000, whatever your goal is. I do have my free training in the description that you can get access to, and that is a 4-day training. It's got 4 videos, and it goes over the 4 main components you must have in place to really build a long-term sustainable business online. So that is really what that training pretty much goes over. So be sure to check that out there. But anyways, take care.